Guys, today we're back from Octodad. Last episode, well, I had to lead Stacy to not be scared of the dark. And yes, it's early, so yeah. So we are going to continue playing this. If you guys enjoy this game, comment down below and I'll do it for you. And I'll comment down below if you want me to do a full gameplay once I finish the series, and I will do it. So let's get into this, and maybe I'll speed run, but let's continue. The Aqua Fun Center. Oh yeah, guys, yesterday I went to the fair. It was very fun.
What if this fell in love with a bird? Would he fly out and marry him?
Well, we can never know for sure.
I don't
Look,
know.
there's anything possible!
Okay, the Amazing Arcade. Gotta find Scarlet in the Amazing Arcade. Let's go.
Can we talk?
Go to Scarlet.
Well, we're alone without the kids for once.
Yeah.
Honey, we should really talk. I wonder what our lives will be like once our kids grow up and move away. Maybe we'll finally have time to travel.
No. This reminds me of a dog. What's this do? Give 7 prizes to Scarlet. Why?
Someday
I thought the aquarium was more educational.
Okay, that's easy. Now what? Do we give this to Scarlet?
These
Oh, we do.
strange incidents keep happening, and you brush them off like they're nothing. Like when your foot got caught in the ceiling fan, or when we ran out of printer ink and you just made more. And I keep buying you toothbrushes and then finding them in the trash.
Dude. Hey, I don't really want to talk about Scarlet.
Looks like the rainforests are being cut down. I guess nothing lasts forever, huh?
Ah! No, the fish! I love how we're just throwing piranhas. Yeah. Oh my god, this is a scam. Wait. Is there a barrier? It's not a barrier. This is not a barrier. I'm not cheating. Consider this as not cheating.
Hey, that guy's cheating.
I'm not. Consider it as not cheating. I want to get up. Wait. I saw a tie. I want to get that one. I'm going to try to get the tie real quick. Ooh. Oh shoot. Okay, let's just grab our prize. Alright, let's give it to her. Oh! She just threw her toy like it's nothing.
Sink and the disposal came on, but you wouldn't go to the hospital, yet somehow your arm looks good as new.
Just because I'm not.
Ever going to explain that?
No, I'm not gonna explain that. All I like to say is octopus. We gotta pump it up. Pump it up. Oh yeah, I'm doing this on mobile, so pump it up. What? What was that noise? Okay, that's weird. Oh, I kicked her in the face. Oh my god. I kicked her in the face.
The aquarium.
I kicked her in I don't know why that's so funny to me. Hey, but you do need. But I'm sorry. No offense out there. No offense to women.
So you
It is
think
so-
you can beat old air
this-
hockey Matt at his own game, huh? Bring it.
What is nothing? Ka-ching. How did he? What? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Standing on it.
Come on now. The integrity of the game is compromised. How did you beat me? I betrayed these
Yeah.
children.
We cheated! Oh my god, I just rolled my head. Oh my god. Ah, I'm just cheating. I'm a cheater. Take this.
Remember when we were taking that cake decorating class? After that bakery burned down, I had a lot of questions to answer.
Oh my god. Let's play basketball.
Stacy would be so happy if she could see you. You know, she thinks you hate dolphins.
I don't. Ooh. Barrier.
Hey, someone needs to tell someone that this guy's being a jerk.
I'm not being a jerk.
We have rules in this society, mister. Rules.
I'm dribbling. I'm just dribbling.
Stop. You're ruining the games for the rest of us.
Oh, he just gave us the prize. Okay. I don't really care if I'm ruining the game. Boom.
I've always wondered what you keep in that musty old basement, but I respect your privacy.
Ooh, can I actually get in? I want to see if I can get in. Okay, never mind. I'm not gonna do that. Oh my god. Ooh, I see claw machine. Does that mean one game is gonna be a scam?
Light of the rainforest. I could catch a boat to the Amazon and take pictures of all the sad monkeys.
Run! Stay away. Stay away. Don't let them touch the trees. Just get them back. Let's go! Okay. I can tell that we're gonna need to obviously ruin this game. I can tell we need to ruin the game. But the claw machine one, I think it's gonna be a scam thing. Here.
You're usually so talkative, but when we're talking about us, you clam up.
Okay. Ah, shoot.
That crane game is rigged.
Wait, how many? that's rigged. Yeah, that's rigged. You're right. If it's rigged, you can get in. I'm inside.
Wow, man. You were born to play basketball.
Thank you. Oh my god, I literally just cheated the game. I basically cheated the game.
Okay, no, the tank has sprung a leak. My hands are full.
Okay.
Why don't you try to fix that instead?
Okay. Oh! Boom. Whoa! What do I do?
Use these. I don't want them. Honey, be careful. Don't drown.
I'm an octopus.
Hurry up and plug the hole. The endangered fish are in danger.
Oh! They... Why are they telling me to drown? No! I barely have health left. No. Give me more, Scarlet. Scarlet, give me more! I need more. Thank you. Oh man, I'm sorry, Monkey, but you're a hero. Oh!
Well, I have wasted enough time here. I've got work to do. When you feel like having a real discussion, find me in the Shark Tank.
Find me at the Shark Tank, okay. Oh my god. Oh. Okay.
How many fish live
We
in
need to
the
climb up the stairs. Meet Scarlet at the Shark Tank. Employees only. Wait. Is Scarlet an employee? Or is she fake? I don't know. I think Scarlet's fake. Or she's probably gonna push Octodad in. Dude, that's gonna suck. Alright. Oh, never mind. Scarlet's real. It's fake!
You fell into my trap!
The chef!
Octopus!
Oh!
Nowhere to run this time. Now, tell me, Octopus, what are you plotting? How many
Plotting
others are
nothing.
there? Why is everybody fish?
No one's fish.
It doesn't matter. Go back where you belong.
No!
Goodbye, Octopus. I'll tell your family the bad news.
No. He's now an octopus. What? What's happening? We may as well got some time. We could do one more. Guys, we could do one more. And that's it. Okay, guys? Okay. This is going to be difficult. Get undetected. Okay.
What is that?
Okay, don't not turn around. Okay, we have to go here. I am a sea monster. How do I climb up? I'm not standing. I need to stand.
A little Joe keeps me up that extra 17 hours.
Huh. Can I climb up? Okay, no. Get the coffee. Drink the coffee.
Hey, where'd my coffee go?
Find a pick me up. Find a pick me up. drink it all, I think. It undetected though. I don't know what they mean. Is this a balance beam? Okay, this is a balance beam.
Our net profits went up.
Gotta be super careful.
What? Net profit. I don't. You couldn't get that.
Ew. I didn't break any crates yet. Alright. That guy is turning that way. That's
Like the sight of that song's gonna be stuck in my head for years.
Dude, banana. This is gonna be hard. Oh! Jeez! Put on the suit.
Watch out, it's slippery out here.
Ooh, he barely missed me. You to the controller. I died! If you guys want to see more of this, comment down below and I would do it. Bye!